To apply for Klarna financing, follow these steps. Shop at the partner store. First, browse and shop at the partner store that offers Klarna as a payment option. Klarna is available at many online retailers and physical stores. Choose Klarna at checkout. When you're ready to check out, select Klarna as your payment method. Klarna will offer various financing options, such as Pay in 4, Pay Later, or financing with monthly payments. Sign up or log in. If you don't have a Klarna account, you will need to sign up by providing your email, phone number, and personal details. If you already have an account, simply log in. Enter payment and identification details. Klarna may ask for additional information, such as your date of birth and social security number for a soft credit check. This helps Klarna assess your eligibility for financing and the amount you can finance. Choose financing option. Select the payment plan that best suits your needs. Klarna offers flexible options like paying in 4 interest-free installments or extended financing options with interest. Confirm and complete your purchase. After Klarna approves your financing option, confirm the payment details and complete your purchase.